How to keep Pinterest private. Hi everyone, welcome back. This is a video tutorial on how to keep Pinterest private. Unlike other social media platforms like Instagram, Pinterest doesn't really have a private account option which you can turn on or turn off. But here are things you can try to keep your Pinterest account private. Make your boards private by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on the specific board you'd like to change the privacy of. Tap the three dot icon at the right top corner of the screen and select Edit Board. Make sure that you're the only one under Collaborators and just toggle on the Make this board a secret option under Settings. This allows you to be the only person to view this specific board. Tap Done to save the changes and make sure you do the same for all of the other boards you have to make sure you're the only one who can see them as well. You can also change the name on your Pinterest account. Just tap on the profile icon, tap Settings, and tap Public Profile under Account Information. You can then change your name to anything, like blank space, for example, or really anything you can think of. To make sure that your account is really anonymous to everyone, just make sure to change your username as well and make sure that it is unique so you can tap on the Done button at the right top corner to save all the changes. Your profile should then be updated and no one else will know that it's you, unless you have a picture on it. So make sure you update your profile picture as well to something else by tapping on the profile picture icon on this screen. And those are two easy ways you can try to keep your Pinterest account private. If you found this video helpful, please let us know in the comments below, like this video, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.